back to my channel Cook with Praveena. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make mushroom biryani in a very simple method. I made this biryani using cooker. So let's check it out the video. Heat cooker and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves, 1 bay leaf, cinnamon, and roast this well. Now to this I am adding 2 thinly sliced onions. Now fry these onions until it turns glassy in texture. To this I am adding 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Cook it well until the raw smell goes off. To this I am adding 2 thinly sliced tomatoes and cook until the tomatoes and onions are well cooked. Now I am adding 1 cup of pudina leaf and 1 cup of coriander leaf. Cook it well. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. Now cook all these masalas so that all the raw smells goes off. Now I am adding 250 grams of mushroom. Cook this mushroom for at least 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of curd and give it a good mix. So once it is done, now I am adding the rice. Here I have taken 2 cups of Siraga Samba rice which I have already soaked for half an hour before cooking. Now give it a good mix so that all the masalas will well coated with this rice. Add 3 cups of water and required amount of salt. So give it a good mix and close the lid. Let it cook for at least 1 minute. So after 15 minutes, we need to open the cooker. So you can see here, our biryani is ready now. Hope you have all seen this video fully. You can also try this dish and enjoy the taste along with your family. If you really like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also leave your valuable comment because your comments are really mean to me. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you friends.